going on, everybody? Today we're just going to be going over a quick video. My previous video was showing how to back up the iPhone on previous OS versions like Mojave and anything before that. Today's video is going to be, I just upgraded my Mac to Catalina, so I'm running version 10.15.3, and there's some new features and then some different ways to back up the iPhone in Catalina. So as you may notice, your bottom dock may look a little bit different. Like, for example, you have the TV app. It has a dedicated app for that. Music is right there. This is a dedicated app for music. There's no more iTunes in Catalina, so let me just click out of that. So this is just a dedicated app for music. If it lets me quit, okay. What else? That's my Opera browser. News has its own app. I think I had that before. So yeah, just a little bit different. So when you want to back up your iPhone in Catalina or later, well, any future releases, I'm guessing now they're just going to keep using Finder. So right now, when you connect your iPhone, you're going to see it come up in the locations section right here. And if you don't have this section, you just click Finder at the top, go down to Preferences, sidebar, and then you can adjust all your stuff right here. So once you have your iPhone, it's going to show your iPhone name depending how you named it. You click Trust. It may ask you to do some stuff on your iPhone, and then as you can see, your iPhone's information comes up here. I'm just using a sample iPhone X, iPhone 10 to connect. So it looks very similar to iTunes, to what you would see in iTunes, but it's just in Finder right now. So yeah, this is pretty much it. All the same stuff. And then when you want to back up, it's doing something right here. Okay, so let's see. Looks like it's finishing up some stuff. Let's click X. Okay, so now all you have to do is click the same. It's the same, pretty much the same setup from now on. You just click back up, and then there's no status bar like in iTunes. Nothing on the top right corner. Instead, it's all right here. Unfortunately, it doesn't show like a progress timer or anything like that, or a progress bar. It just shows kind of like a pie chart. Let me see if I can do that again, because there's not really anything on this iPhone, so it finished pretty quick. But as you pay attention to this right here, you're gonna see a little pie chart come up. Possibly, yeah, there you go. See, so that pie chart is basically your timer for how long the backup needs to complete. Again, my iPhone has nothing on it. This is just a test one right here, so it's gonna finish fairly quickly. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. So basically, just to recap, iTunes is gone in Catalina. Everything is switched to Finder. When you connect your iPhone, you just click on it in Locations, and you're gonna have the same setup as you did in iTunes before. It's just gonna be all done in Finder. So yeah, just a quick video. Hope you guys find that helpful. If you guys have any questions, side note. So in iTunes, you can view your backups by going to like iTunes, Preferences, Devices. And this one, in Catalina and Finder, you just click Manage Backups, and it's going to pick up all your latest backups, and you can do whatever you want with that from there. I'm just going to delete it because there's nothing on it. So yeah, that's the only other difference. And if you guys have any questions, I hope you guys enjoy that. Let me know in the comments. Just a very quick video in Catalina. It's very simple, very easy to use. So see you guys in the next video.